Welcome back. From hurricanes to wildfires, unforeseen events can and will happen, but are you prepared for them? Luckily, we have someone here to help today. I am here with Mr. Nathan Yearsley of Augason Farms. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having me. It's good to be here.
It's very good to have you here. And tell us more about Augason Farms and how you have to stay ready. And you never have to get ready, but Augason Farms definitely helps with that.
53 years ago, Jackie and Phil Augason realized that people weren't ready and they just didn't even have sources to buy the food. And that started with a milk product and has come out to like about 100 different items so that you can buy the food that you like to eat and have it store for 5 years or 30 years in packaging that will withstand whatever. And so we've got you. We're ready.
I love it. So let's talk about it. You have so many amazing meals and foods here on the table that last for such a long time. And you can feed your family, feed one person for a week with this one. This is one person for a week.
Yeah, this is 7 days.
But the ingredients is what was the hook for me, because these are all natural foods.
Yeah, so we have fruits and vegetables and proteins and casseroles and breakfast items and pancake mixes. If you're vegan, we've got black bean burger. Going to our website, augusonfarms.com, is like a grocery store. Just go and shop, and you'll find stuff you want. But you mentioned the ingredients. This is the blueberries. The ingredients is blueberries. It's just simple.
I love
so
it.
The blueberries are just blueberries. The strawberries are just strawberries. The corn is just corn. It's freeze-dried or dehydrated for the highest quality food and preserves the taste and the look, so that in the event of a difficulty, you eat well. Our tagline is prepare for delicious. And it really is. It's good food, and it tastes good, and it's comforting. And I lived through economic uncertainty, and that meant food uncertainty. And having food in the house that was warm and tasted good was pretty nice.
It's so important. And you talk about delicious. I can't help myself. My daughter is obsessed with blueberries. I am myself. Amazing. You can't have me eat this alone.
All right, I'm in. So
it's like cereal.
It is.
It's delicious.
Imagine this. You want a smoothie?
Right.
I have strawberries, which I've got over here. I have strawberries in the pouch in my house, and I can make a smoothie in an instant, and I don't have to worry about having fresh, because with just a little bit of water, they reconstitute, it blends up nice. It's fantastic. We have people using our pancake mix professionally to sell stuff on as a street vendor.
Wow.
We have, it's just really good food, but we've packaged it, highest quality food, the cleanest, best tasting ingredients we can find. And then we do it in a way that the pouches typically are 5 years or so. These number 10 cans and these pails typically have a 20 or 30-year shelf life.
Wow.
It's going to last. But we find that at least half of our customers are actually using our product every day because it tastes good.
It's delicious. And let's talk about emergency preparedness. Why is that so vital for families?
In the event of an emergency. So let's leave the apocalyptic stuff out, okay?
I'm preparing for that too.
Yeah, I know. we all have to think about it, but let's just talk about injury, illness, and job loss. The date, or that you want to stay home in your stretchy pants and you didn't go to the grocery store.
Yes.
That's an emergency. You don't have food, because people get hungry in every situation. This allows you to have a little bit of a safety net that, oh, I can make oatmeal, I can make pancakes, I can make whatever, and you've got that tucked away in your pantry or under a bed. You know, here's a 72-hour kit designed for the apocalypse, right?
Wow. Yep.
Right? This is 3 days worth of food for one person. It's in this big pouch in a way so that you can actually slide it under the front seat of your car and drive away from your home.
Wow.
Right? So we're ready for that. But the biggest stuff is just preparing for the everyday stuff. If you're ready for the everyday emergencies, you're going to do pretty well. It just takes water and some heat, and you simmer to taste. Our casseroles are pre-made, like in these pouches here. They have pre-made casseroles. We have pre-made breakfast. A lot of those things we've kind of curated for you. And I recommend people buy stuff like this, kind of get the basis, and then you add all the individual stuff. You know, if you like to bake, get some milk. We have eggs. We have butter. All of it dried, and you can blend it together and start to bake.
Nathan, you have everything we need right here. The number one question I have is how can we get our hands on all of these? I'm just going to roll this table at home, honestly.
That's fine. I'll leave all right here for you.
Perfect. Thank you.
So go to augusonfarms.com, AUGASON farms.com. We have all the product there. I have an amazing customer service team. If you get in and you're like, you know, we tell you about the servings and the calories and all that stuff, but sometimes you go to a website and you're like, oh, this is new and I'm lost.
Right.
contact our customer service team. They're fantastic, and we'll help you. Our mission is to make sure that everybody eats, even in difficult times, and we are committed to that, and they exemplify that. So just call us, and we will help you, or message us online, and we'll help you.
Well, I know my local grocer cannot keep these on the shelves,
Right.
and now I'm going to be buying 10 more. Thank you so much, Nathan. I appreciate it.
Pleasure to be here.
Let's have some strawberries going into the commercial break.
Absolutely. Here we go.
Thank you, sir.
It's all on me.
Delicious.